welcome to Kids Kitchen Adventures with Lauren. That's me. Today my kitchen helper is Shirley. Shirley, how old are you?
3.
3. And what's your favorite fruit?
Strawberries.
Strawberries, yum. Well, we're going to be using those today to make our fruit kabobs. We're going to use all the colors of the rainbow and different fruits and put them on a skewer for a fun way to eat them. So before we get started cooking, the first thing we always have to do is wash our hands. So we'll wash our hands and get started. To start our fruit skewers, I got a bunch of fruit ready for us in all the different colors. So first we have our strawberries for red. We have some clementines for our orange. We have some pineapple for our yellow. We have some kiwis for our green color. We have some blueberries for our blue. And finally, for purple, we have some grapes. All right, so we're going to string them all onto a skewer in that order to make it look just like a rainbow, all right? So you want to start with one skewer?
Yeah.
And you can start with the strawberry. We're going to put it all the way down. Good job. All right, so we'll start with red. Now we need some orange. Ready for a clementine?
Yeah.
Perfect. Good work. All right, here's yellow for pineapple.
You can push it down.
That was good.
Sometimes
It got a little stuck, yeah. Sometimes you gotta get it just in the right spot. All right, are you ready for your green?
green kiwi.
All right, you want to do a blueberry?
Yeah.
And these, since they're small, we can do a few of them. All right, what's next? You know?
Grapes.
Grapes, yay! We'll put some grapes on. Here's our rainbow fruit skewer. Should we make one more?
Yeah.
Okay. We can make a bunch and then put them on a platter too, and they work perfect for a party too. Here you go. We'll start with the red.
Red strawberry. I grabbed one before you.
All right, do you want to take a bite of your favorite fruit on our kebabs?
Yeah.
Should we try? Do you want to try the strawberry?
Yeah.
I'm going to try some of the kiwi, I think. How's it taste?
Good.
Pretty good. Fruit is always so delicious, isn't it? You can find the recipe below the video. Thanks for watching.